Okay, if your company deals with hundreds or, maybe even thousands of suppliers, you know the feeling. It's this massive, tangled knot of emails and spreadsheets. Let's be honest, it's organized chaos. So today, we're going to pull on a thread and see if we can untangle that knot.
So let's just start with a really simple question. How well do you really know your suppliers? I mean, you probably think you have a decent handle on it, but when information is scattered all over the place, that complete picture is often, well, it's blurry, it's fragmented, and it's probably full of some pretty dangerous gaps.
And all that confusion? It leads to some very common and very painful business headaches. So let's break down the 4 biggest ones that companies run into when they just don't have a single source of truth for all their supplier data.
First up, inconsistent onboarding. You know what I'm talking about. The endless back-and-forth emails, chasing down vendors to fill out just one more form, and having absolutely no standard process. Every new supplier feels like you're starting from scratch, and it wastes time and creates a ton of frustration for everyone.
Next, oh boy, the nightmare of duplicate and outdated data. When everything is manual, human error is pretty much guaranteed. You end up with like 3 different records for the same company, and critical compliance info that's years out of date. And pretty soon, you're asking a terrifying question. Which of this data can we even trust?
And that leads right into our third headache, a fragmented view. Just picture this. Your contracts are sitting in one system, the performance scorecards are in a completely different one, and their sourcing history is buried in yet another. Trying to get one complete view of a single supplier becomes this huge manual effort of piecing things together. And here's the real kicker. All of these problems pile up and lead to the biggest headache of all, making risky business decisions. When your data is a total mess, you're basically flying blind. This leads to costly supply chain disruptions and bad strategic moves, all because your leadership just doesn't have the clear info they need to steer the ship.
Okay, so that's a pretty grim picture. But what if there was a way to solve all of these problems at once? Well, this is where the hero of our story comes in. Let's talk about SAP Supplier Lifecycle Performance, or SLP for short.
So what is it exactly? Well, to put it simply, SAP SLP is a tool designed to give you one single unified platform to manage the entire supplier relationship. And I mean everything, from the very first step of onboarding and qualification all the way through to their ongoing performance and compliance checks.
Now, the real magic here, the core concept, is what we call the power of a 360-degree view. Instead of that fragmented picture, that messy puzzle, SLP gives you a complete, holistic profile of every single supplier all in one place.
And this is a brilliant way to see how it works. It all starts with centralized onboarding, so goodbye to those endless email chains. Then it integrates seamlessly with your core ERP system, like S4 HANA. You can use smart segmentation to group suppliers, say by region or what they do. You can continuously manage their performance with real data, and you can make sure they meet all their compliance requirements with built-in checks.
Think of it like this. All those scattered pieces of information we talked about before, the risk data, the performance metrics, the contracts, the sourcing history, and all that core financial data, it's all pulled together into one unified 360-degree supplier profile. For the first time, you can see everything you need to know in a single view.
So that all sounds great, right? But what's the actual business payoff? What are the tangible benefits a company really sees when it moves from all that chaos to clarity? Well, let's look at the numbers. First off, industry analysis shows that companies using these kinds of systems see a 5 to 6% reduction in their cost of goods sold. Just think about that for a second. Better visibility and performance management translating directly into millions of dollars in bottom-line savings. And it's not just about savings. That same analysis points to 15 to 20% higher revenue growth. Now, why is that? It's because a reliable, efficient supply chain lets you innovate faster and serve your customers better, and that directly drives top-line growth.
And beyond the hard numbers, the other benefits are just as powerful. You get crystal clear visibility into all your supplier data, their performance, and their risk. Your processes become digitized and way more efficient. You ensure stronger contract compliance, you make smarter decisions based on real data, and ultimately, you reduce the risk of those really costly supply chain disruptions.
So, why is all of this so incredibly important, especially right now? Well, the world is changing faster than ever, and the pressure on our supply chains is absolutely immense.
So I'll just leave you with this final thought. In a world of constant, nonstop disruption, visibility isn't just a nice to have. It is a strategic necessity. Because the real question isn't if you can afford to fix this, but how much longer you can afford to have a blind spot in the most critical part of your business, your supply chain.